What's going on, technicians? Welcome back to the channel. We are here in the training center in New Bedford, Massachusetts, and today we are going to be learning how to replace the HMI or human machine interface on the NUOS today on Ariston Academy. Now, this is a decommissioned unit, but the first thing that you're going to want to do is obviously power down the system. Then we're going to access this small fascia plate down here at the bottom so that we can remove the fascia screw cover. And now we have access to the control board. For the HMI, all we're going to do is remove these 4 screws holding in the display plate. And your display should come out freely from the unit. We've only got one Molex plug here that we need to detach, and we can gently pull on that and our HMI is free. Now there are 4 small clips, retention clips, that are holding in the HMI. We're just going to gently pull these away, and be careful not to touch the back or the front side of this HMI board. And she's free. There's our HMI. Let's go grab the new one and install it. Now that we've got our new HMI, it's important that we have to line our springs up perfectly with these little slots to ensure that we're getting good contact with the HMI. So we'll simply slide the springs into place and then give this board a gentle push to lock it into place. And she's ready to go. We'll take our single Molex plug, plug that directly back into the board, and slot it into place. Simply replace all the screws and replace the fascia cover, and you're good to go. And there you have it. In just a few brief steps, you can get the HMI replaced on this unit and be on to your next call with a happy customer in the taillights. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you guys on the next one.